my Publix haul or Publix heist for the week. I like to call it a heist because they paid me. Yeah, this is $96.24 worth of goods. When it's all said and done, they paid me $3.47. And yes, that does include tax, so that is my out the door price. This is for the week of January 28th till February 23rd. I'll be trying to do this every week, post a video on the first day of the sale, so please subscribe to my channel. I know some of these deals will expire, but you know, you can try to do most of them. I use manufacturer coupons, I use manufacturer printable coupons, I use store coupons, I use digital coupons, I use Tabata, and I used a rebate. I know I'm speaking fast, but all the links are below the video in the details as well as the breakdown. So let's get right into it. So we had this digital coupon that was on there last year. We had these. There was a manufacturer printable coupon. We had these. There was a store coupon as well as a $3 off too. That was in the January 3rd Smart Source. Let's get to these. We're on sale, as well as there was a store coupon in the extra savings, as well as a manufacturer in the PG, which was $3 off and $2 off, and they were $4.89. So most would say that is an overage, but no, there's tax, so there was very little amount, like 31 cents each. All the breakdowns are below. We had a manufacturer printable, and we had a store. The store came from the Best of You book. Publix digital coupon on this. We had this was free on Ibotta, as well as this was I think $2.64, and they were $2.37, and there was $1 off manufacturer, and you got a 50-cent bonus. So this was like a 52-cent moneymaker on that. And here was the good one. So these were on sale, $3 off of 2, and they're regularly $3.19. There was a printable for store for $3 off of 2 as well. And the hard part is finding 10 of these in your store. I was lucky they had at least 10 in stock. They had like 12 or something. And there's also a submit a rebate for this. You get $10 off of 30, so you have to buy 10 to get that. And that pretty much put me over the top. And so once again, over $96.24 worth of goods. Got paid $3.47 again. Once again, paid to shop. So, please subscribe to my channel. Here's some more cool stuff right here. And now, 5 months straight, every week posting a video, every week paid to shop.